soul, for the heart, and for the mind. This next song comes from South Estonia. I have a woman here, her name is Carmen, and she lived many years in South Estonia. And when they speak, it's hard for me to understand because the dialect is so different. And we prepared this song together. This is a special way of singing from South Estonia, Seto songs. And it has a lot of imagery from the landscape, from the farmhouse, and this beautiful set of the life, maybe 100 years ago, so it's a very old song, about this beautiful white horse grazing at the back of the house, and all family being together, and so many happy animals there, and the trees, the apple trees. So there's this picture of abundance around us from the nature.
Seleta muuni